Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nidhi and in today's video I'm going to give you all a Nykaa haul. It's been a while since all the products has arrived to my place and I have already opened it, also made an Instagram reel, but I really wanted to make a YouTube video on it. So I'm just going to show you all what the products I have bought. And so this time I splurged a lot on myself because I was all into the makeup and the deals were so crazy, and I have bought all the products that were on my wish list since almost 2 years. And so yeah, this is the product, like it has all the products that came in and you can see quite a few products already. So let's start with this and we will start with the elf. I have bought four of the elf product. Like first one is this the elf power grip primer, and I love this primer. Okay, just come it. Oh, it feels so nice, and I have not used it on my skin yet, but it feels so nice. इसका एक ड्यूब मार्स का प्राइमर है and I have used it. That time ये वाला प्रोडक्ट सेल में नहीं आ रहा था, so I just bought Mars for that and I love it. I'm going to make a video on all these products very soon, so please stay tuned. So basically elf was on buy one get one and I just could not resist myself and I got all the products that I were eyeing for so long, like especially these two products. So this is the elf glow reviver lip oil and I am in the shade Honey Talks, and oh my god honey, the shade it is crazy. Okay, it's a crazy shade and I'm clearly in my lip gloss lip oil era. It has such a sheer hint of the brown and I just love it, and look at the shine it gave. The thing that we got is elf camo liquid blush, and this is also like, look at the shade, and I am in the shade called soft mauve. These two products came few months back in India. एल्फ पे हमेशा बाय वन गेट वन का सेल होता है, ठीक है, बट लास्ट दो सेल से एल्फ वॉज नॉट ऑन बाय वन गेट वन, सो ड्यू टू विच आई वॉज नॉट बाइंग दिस बिकॉज मतलब इट इज़ बेटर टू वेट फॉर सम टाइम व्हेन यू नो कि एल्फ बाय वन गेट वन पे आता है, तो वाई टू परचेज दिस अर्लियर. एंड मेरे पास ब्लश था पहले, सो आई डिडंट impulsively bought the products. And did you see the shade? And it is so pigmented and so creamy. It's very creamy. Should we use it? Yeah. And it is so pigmented, guys. You obviously need a tiny bit of it. Look at it. I just love the finish and I'm clearly looking like a joker right now, but we're gonna fix this out. Okay, I'm looking like an apple right now, but it's okay. I love the shade though. I absolutely love this blush, and honestly I am a big fan of elf beauty. Like if I have to choose one favorite makeup brand of mine, elf beauty would be the one, because it is very reasonable price. Like सब कुछ 100,000 आपको मिल ही जाता है, almost all the products. And secondly, their products are so nice and their formula is also amazing, like top notch. So yeah, and last but not the least from elf beauty is their wow brow tinted brow gel. So their tinted brow gel, and I have heard so many good reviews about this. Again, it was not something in my wish list, but since the elf was on buy one and get one, so I thought of like buying 4 products, because ये last के 3 जो मैंने अभी दिखाया वो तो मुझे खरीदने ही थे. So I thought like, why not, let's just try this, because I'm not good with my brow and everything. Let's just use it and see what does this do to my brow. So now we are moving on to the next product, and this is from K by Katrina, and I have ordered their liquid highlighter. वैसे तो मैं highlighter girl हूँ नहीं, but I have a function coming on and this was on a good discount, so मैंने future के लिए लिया है उसे. But yeah, so we're gonna try this right now. Okay, oh my god, that's a lot of product. We're gonna just use and see. Do you see, I don't need highlighter by the way, but okay, I'm just going to mix it with my finger. Oh my god, oh my god, did you just see the shine it has given? Natural, and it is so easy to blend. You can easily blend with your fingers, and this has no shimmery glittery particle whatsoever, which is so good and just make your skin so glowy and so healthy. Look at my cheeks right now, you guys. I love it. Like Katrina has actually rocked it. Everyone will see, oh my god, I have such a healthy skin. I don't know, it's a highlighter called Rose, and this is such an amazing product. Okay, so we are moving on to the next product, and all these products that is left right now is all from, you know, Luxe category. And the very first product is this is Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I am the shade called Golden Beige. I have used this, okay, this is not the first time I'm going to use this. I have used this the day it came, and I've just applied it on below my under eyes and everything, and it looks so amazing. This product is like, wait, and the shade match is incredible. I just like to put it on back of my finger, and you know, just gonna use it. Like, it blends so easily. The shade match is just so perfect. Just obsessed with this concealer. It just blends into your skin so nicely, very easy to blend. One problem that I always faced in concealer is I find concealer very hard to blend, but not with this one. It is very easily blendable. Even I can blend it through my finger and it just sits very perfectly onto my skin. It does not crease, because I'm telling you, because I have used this. I told you the day it has came, मैंने उसी दिन use किया था. And now the next product is NARS foundation, and I am in the shade called L4 Jubilee. I'm the shade L4 called Jubilee. Recently I finished my K-Beauty hydrating primer, and I really needed a good full coverage foundation because I'm not a foundation girly, okay, but you know, when you have a wedding or a good function जिसमें आपको full glam चाहिए, तो you need a foundation that is a full coverage. This time I bought this NARS because I wanted a good foundation in high-end range, and it was on a good discount, so I got that. I haven't used it yet, and it's so expensive that I really don't want to, you know. Okay, हम आज shade देख लेते हैं कि ये shade क्या है. That's it for the product. Oh, look at it. It's my shade. It is clearly my shade. And you know, it is very lightweight. Should I use foundation over it? You will see this right now. The coverage is just top notch. And I like the coverage. It has full coverage. Very good for your, you know, glam makeup. Look at it. I've just used it here and there of my face, and it just settles so nicely into my skin. Like, you can clearly see the shade match is just perfect. You guys should always buy a foundation जिसका shade आपके neck से match करे, okay, so that when you apply foundation दोनों अलग ना लगे, because obviously आप इतनी घाई में रहते हो कि you will obviously forget to apply foundation on your neck, and you don't want to look in two different colors. So always keep that in mind. It's very lightweight, very full coverage, and a hydrating one is because I don't like matte foundation, okay. Also I have a combination skin, so matte foundation will work on me, but मुझे नहीं पसंद matte foundation. I have one from the Maybelline. I didn't like it, so I'm always a good hydrating and glowy makeup kind of a girly, so no matte foundation for me. Okay, so we are left with two more products, and I want to show both of these products together. And these are, yeah, can you see that? I got a Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Setting Spray, and I got in a big size, not the mini one. Look at it. First of all, I am dying of their packaging. I'm not going to throw this anytime soon. And oh my god, this time Charlotte Tilbury was on such a good discount. I just can't resist myself from buying it. Okay, since we are using all the products today, we have used almost all the products today, so we are also going to use these two. Okay, so first is this Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and the second one is their Airbrush Finishing Powder. And look at the packaging. Look at the packaging. Who is going to throw their packaging? मैं तो नहीं भेजने वाली हूँ. And I am the shade medium. And look at the, आपको पता है मेरे पास ये फाउंड पाउडर है जिसको मैं बहुत यूज़ करती थी. It is from Inside Cosmetic, and whenever I used to use this, I feel like I used to manifest like I'm holding a Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder in my hand because थोड़ा सा similar लगता है. Obviously, price difference is huge, but I always manifested this, and I have it right now. Okay, look at it. Like, okay, should we use it right now? Let's use it today. So amazing. Amazing, you all guys. It is absolute perfect, aesthetic wise, packaging wise, and product wise also. It's top notch. Okay, so last but not the least, I have this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, which I'm going to spray it right now because I have used almost all the products. Okay, so we're gonna spray it right. The mist and the cooling sensation that I have just gotten is crazy. I absolutely love the setting spray. The spray is so amazing. Like, look at it. Did you see that? Mist, the spray is so fine and so amazing. Like, you just need, 1 to 2 spray and you are sorted. And yeah, with that we are done with our Nykaa haul. This time I only bought makeup, no skincare, no hair care, no body care, because मैंने already बहुत ही ज़्यादा splurge कर लिया था. So I thought कि okay, we should wait for the next sale, and उस time हम और भी ज़्यादा shopping करेंगे. So if you want link of any of these products, I'm going to provide it in the description box. And if you have not purchased any product in this sale, wait for the next sale, because soon Nykaa is going to have their Nykaa Hot Pink sale, so you can purchase all these products or whatever products you want from that sale. So always buy products on the sale. That's a girl math, okay? And the happiness that you will get after buying products from the sale is to the next level. So yeah, that's it from my side. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay happy, and stay positive. Bye.